a fun idea you might want to consider for one of your classes. Have you ever thought about letting your students pick their avatar on Zoom? And if you have, you probably have seen the animal options that they have. So let me show you in this quick video. The little video icon, it has the caret next to it for a drop down menu of more options. You could click choose avatar, show avatar, or video settings. Let's go to video settings so you can see the full layout. Under the videos section, we've got some options: camera, virtual backgrounds. Then there's the avatars section right here. And we've got all these different animals. My favorite it is the fox with the hoodie. And I'll just show you that one, right? So no arm movements yet, but you can see the mouth and you can see the blinking. But even though I'm physically moving my arms, there's no arm gestures or movement with these avatars. But the other option is to click this plus icon here and create your own avatar. So we'll start, I'm going to build mine. So here's how this might look. Let's go. First, we pick skin, then the face shape, which is kind of like a heart shaped square jaw for me personally. Okay, so there we have it. Here's my avatar. Kind of looks like me, I would say. I tried to get it as close as I could. I would have liked to have put on some earrings or something, but imagine it could be kind of fun in class every now and again, or even for part of a class to have students show up as avatars. And then to turn that off, just turn off the show avatar, turn it on easily. Show avatar, it remembers the last one that you had on deck here. I personally think that it can be fun and offers a nice break, a little something different to do in class. So I want to give a shout out to Teacher Tangents, whose video inspired me to make this one because I had not yet created my own avatar. So in Zoom, and it's nice, easy thing to do that students can also do themselves. A little bit of playfulness in the classroom never hurts, even in college. College students like to have some fun too. One quick note is I was assuming that if I went completely off camera, the avatar would just stay frozen. And in some instances it did, and in some of the testing, it moved a little, like it did a weird little head jerking motion. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for that there, Apple. So that was strange. Just mixed results with that. But I wonder if there was blinking in that. So let me have a look at that and see. Let's have a look at some of those recordings. Yeah, there was blinking. Even some mouth movement. Well, whatever. We're not trying to police the students for the occasional class here. It's just about having some fun, maybe helping with a little bit of Zoom fatigue or being on camera fatigue, and offering the avatar as an alternative. Obviously, if you are asking a student a question and they're not participating, then, you can make decisions as the professor, but that's a little bit of avatar fun on Zoom. And it's really cool that you can build your own now in addition to those animal options. All right, keep learning, inspiring, and teaching with love and perhaps a little avatar too.